What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another cooking video. Today we are making a healthy, low-carb protein waffle. I'm personally a waffle guy. I don't really like pancakes. I'm not a fluffy type of person, fluffy cake type of person. So I prefer a crispy waffle over that. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a healthy, low-carb protein waffle. Let's get into the video. So what we're gonna need today is a waffle maker, a food scale, your choice of protein. I personally have this 1UP Nutrition whey protein. I got myself coconut ice cream and chocolate peanut butter blast. I'm gonna be going with the chocolate peanut butter blast. 1upnutrition.com, link in the description, 20% off using code SHOTSG. Go ahead and get you some protein. I'm gonna be using this. We're gonna need some unsweetened applesauce, just these ready to go packs. We're gonna need some egg whites and some coconut flour. So let's go ahead and get into the baking. All right, everyone, so first things first, let's go ahead and get our batter. We're gonna go ahead and start off with 92 grams of liquid egg whites. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this, 92 grams, way too much. Next, we're gonna add our whey protein. So go ahead and whatever flavor you like, go ahead and grab a scoop of that. I personally am using this 1UP Nutrition. Like the link in the description, SHOTSG, 20% off. Get you some, super tasty. Next, we're gonna do this unsweetened applesauce, about a quarter cup. So that's basically gonna be this whole thing, leaving a tiny bit on the bottom. Boom, that should be good. That's about 86 grams of applesauce. All right, so we got a quarter teaspoon of pure baking soda. I got my little measuring bobber here. We're just gonna go ahead and round it off, throw it in there, boom, good to go. Now we're gonna do 7 grams of pure coconut flour. So let's go ahead and weigh this out, boom, boom. I'm just gonna use a spoon to do this. I don't really wanna go over it. So we got 7 grams, that's 1 gram. 7, boom, perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix this all up. All right, so next we're gonna hit our waffle maker with a splash of non-stick spray. You don't want these bad boys sticking. Boom. Next step, pour your batter into the waffle maker. So that should be good. You should be able to get at least 2 waffles out of this with these macros. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a go. So to avoid this, don't put as much batter in like I did, or you can just put a plate under, but that's our waffle. It's looking pretty good. Gonna take it out here in a little bit. All right, so our protein waffle is done. Let's go ahead and take it out. That is protein waffle number 1. I'm gonna go ahead and put another one in there. That is the finished product here. We managed to get 2 waffles out of that recipe. So now we're gonna go ahead and add maybe 30 grams of strawberries to this and 30 grams of blueberries. So I'm just gonna go ahead and weigh this out here. So you can have it just like this. Add yourself some strawberries, some blueberries. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little packet of almond butter. It's 190 calories, or you can do peanut butter. I'm gonna go ahead and add this over the top. This is my favorite almond butter here. It's by RX. I believe it's by the RX bar company, and it's super good. It's vanilla almond butter. They also have a maple almond butter as well. They're just super tasty. 1 bite, 1 rating. Here we go. First bite, do some Walden Farms pancake syrup, some vanilla almond butter on there. Let's get a little bit of the strawberry, a little bit of that. For a protein waffle, that's getting at least, that's gonna get an 8.6, man. That's getting an 8.6. You already know what it is. Let's go ahead and take another bite. Oh man. So good. You wouldn't even really taste that applesauce and flour into this, man. This is awesome. Take another bite here. We got a little bit of almond butter, the blueberry, the protein waffle, the strawberry. Money. This is money. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the macros up on the screen now. Go ahead and just adjust them to your macros. Again, this is a lifestyle, it's about balance. Okay, so what I just added also, this is also completely optional if it fits your macros, is some of this sugar-free whipped heavy cream. I got this because it has no carbs and I'm currently doing like a higher fat diet. So it has 2 grams of fat, 0 carb, 0 protein, 20 calories in all per serving. I went ahead and threw this on there. Go ahead and give it a go, man. Tastes awesome. Now I'm gonna give it a little taste test with this, with the whipped cream. Okay, the whipped cream's gonna give it a little Whatever my score was, I can't remember if it was an 8.3 or an 8.6. It was gonna bump it up to at least an 8.9. So healthy protein waffles. All right guys, that's gonna conclude this video. Healthy, low carb, high protein waffle with some whipped cream. Oh man, we smashed out of the park with this one. Give it a go. That's gonna conclude this video. For online training and nutrition coaching, hit the link in the description. Protein powders, supplements, head over to oneupnutrition.com. Use code SHOTSG at checkout, 20% off. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Breakfast Club CTG, we out this beat.